Hey guys, today we will make paper soap. So first you need a paper, this one. Mix water and soap, or use hand wash and apply it on the paper. Turn it and again apply it on the paper. You can also add a color to the soap mixture. And now after making many of them, just take a paper staple and put the paper soaps in here. Very easy. My drawing is very bad, I know. Here is an heart emoji full of hearts. Wait guys, here more red. So bye guys.